So Ubotica is a startup, although we're getting out of the startup phase at this stage, but we have about 30 plus people, and we develop computer vision and AI solutions for embedded devices. So processing image data typically of some sort on small little silicon devices, small little chips, and deploying these into areas such as factories and satellites as well, which is probably the more interesting of them. So I'm the CTO, the Chief Technology Officer, and I'm an engineer by training, and I effectively manage the engineering teams within Ubotica. Some are in Ireland, some are in our offices in Spain, some are in our offices in the Netherlands. So a lot of remote calls and managing via video calls. So kind of direct the engineering teams to help them progress on the projects that they're on. Really what we're trying to do is solve the problem of sensors that produce a lot of data. AI is really, really good at interpreting, particularly actually interpreting image data. Actually, tasks that are quite difficult for humans to do. AI is actually really good at this for image processing. And so this is why we deploy AI solutions in order to, as I say, extract some knowledge, if you like, from the images that we capture, and then action on that knowledge. So we work with a range of different partners, customers, institutional partners. Obviously, ESA are a very big part of our development. What we're trying to do is solve the data problem that space has, which is particularly for satellite images, satellite imagery. Satellites are capturing images of the ground as it overflies the ground. More data is being generated than it can be downlinked in many cases. In other words, there's so much data that you don't have the bandwidth, the channel to be able to communicate it down. And so the idea is to filter that data out, if you like, on satellites. So to solve this problem of sending a lot of data to the ground, that in many cases on the ground, someone processes it and finds that actually that image is too cloudy and therefore we throw it away. So, cloud detection on satellite is a really good example, I guess, of how, or an easy example to see the benefits of performing AI on board. So we brought this technology, I guess, through ESA to what's called an IOD, an in-orbit demonstrator. So now that that's been demonstrated, now we want to build out on that and start integrating into commercial satellites. And we were delighted to be part of it. And obviously, we're very appreciative of ESA giving us this award and treating us to a nice celebration, I guess, with nice awards. So we were founded in late 2017. Even in the 5 years of Ubotica, we've seen it grow from not quite zero, but when we started, we didn't really know any other Irish companies that were in the space sector. Certainly the companies that I know here in Ireland that are in the space sector are hiring, maybe not continuously, but certainly very, very regularly. They probably tend to be kind of smaller companies that are getting bigger, right, and going out of startup phase. Try to get experience in what you want to do, because that's the best way, A, to know that it really is what you want to do, and B, to build up those kind of soft skills that you can't necessarily learn in the classroom or the lecture room, but that are really vital to help you with, say, problem solving skills, for example. So yeah, that might be the advice I'd give myself. Do more internships. And it's been, an interesting journey. They say startups are roller coasters, and that's definitely true. So there's ups and downs for sure, but it's a thrill, which I guess is the point of a roller coaster. And so we've grown, pretty fast, and looking to grow further over the next 18 months.